Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Nova 10 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the home screen and wallpaper section. Here we can see the wallpapers, tap here and we can select the new wallpaper from our device gallery. Previously taken photos on our smartphone or downloaded from the internet. Also we can use the default wallpapers here, and if you want you can use also the online wallpapers. How to do that I'll show you a little bit later. So now for example let's select one from the default wallpapers, tap here to apply and select lock screen. Now just let's wait a second and let's lock our smartphone and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper. If you wanna change it by another way, you can make it just swipe with your two fingers at the same time to the center. Then on the left down corner you'll see here the wallpaper icon. Click here once and after that you'll open the same wallpaper settings. Just now let's use the online wallpaper, so click here to more wallpapers, but first be sure that you are connected to the internet, to Wi-Fi or just to mobile data. Click next, tap to I agree. You can use here just one from this available wallpapers. Also you can change here the categories, see at the top of the wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. We just should click here to download. We can preview how that will look on the local home screen and then tap to apply and select the lock screen. Now just let's lock our smartphone and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.